also good morning for my friends of there in Zimbabwe. Today we have another tutorial here. This is a breakfast for you, and I brought the tips and ideas behind all these types of beats. This type of beat is mostly made there in Zimbabwe with one of the famous singer who is called the Alec Maches, and we do have another John Chibadura and many other singers that sing this type of music. So if you want this project, I will send for you to just see yourself and just subscribe to my channel. For example, I'm giving you everything. I'm sharing my ideas with you for free. Just help me to grow, my friend. Just subscribe to my channel. Before talking too much, let us enter in the melody sections. After the melody sections, we will see also the drums. After the drums, we will play the entire beat to see how it was. But if you want for me to start from beginning, from zero, to explain you how to use this program, just comment there. I want to see if you really want for me to do that for you. Thank you. Let us start with our tutorial. Okay, as I tell you, as I always tell you in my tutorials, that I like to remove the melodies of all the projects and let the reed drums and start a new project. Let us hear how the reed drum sounds. Very simple. Here we have a kick, here we have a hi-hat, here we have a shaker, here we have also a hi-hat. And after that, I had to draw another. I chose this plugin, which is NNShite. All of the plugins that I will be using here, they are free plugins. Nothing to worry about downloading. All you need to do is to use your creativity, your ideas, your tricks to make your beat sound a little bit professional. So let us hear how the melody which I drew here down here sound. Very simple. After that, I had to draw another melody down here to answer the first melody which I drew here. Guys, they are coordinating. So first of all, we are supposed to play it as if we were the band. For example, these types of beat in Zimbabwe is mostly made with a lot of artists, one holding a guitar, one holding a bass guitar. They play it at concert, they play it at shows. So for example, for us, we don't have guitars, we don't have something like that, and we are dealing with computational softwares. We are supposed to play also as if we were there playing alive. So it's very important for you also to know how to play the guitar. But if you don't know, I will explain you how to play as a live. Since if you subscribe to my channel, I will start from zero explaining you how to play it as if it were played alive. Okay, the coordination is perfect. After I coordinated, I had to choose another melody here. You discovered what I did. I had to take that melody that is up there, and I had to come down and choose another plugin and paste the melodies here. Yeah, you know my friend. After that, I had to draw another melody here. Since I'm not here to show you how to do the beat, but yeah, I'm here to show you how to do the beat, but not from the zero. But if you want for me to do from the zero, just comment, my friend. That's why this project is already done. Can't you see that it is coordinating? Just pay attention, just here. Here I show the subtractor. As you can see, it is written here. Everything that I will be using, it is already written here. It is names. So I chose one of the presets which is called the Milo for this melody which I played here. So after that, I had to play another melody here. Let us hear how they sound. They are very simple to play. After that, I had to play the bass here. So the bass is coordinating with this melody. So after that I had to play another melody here, and this also melody is coordinating with this melody here. So this was the tutorial for today's video. So guys, if you like these types of video, just like and subscribe, invite your friends to see what we are doing here. So let us hear this part here. Okay guys, this was the tutorial for today's video. Thank you very much for watching.